Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. You may wonder why this side of my hair is straight and this side is curly. I wanted to show you what this one tool does. It can do both of these. This is by QHD and it is so cool. First of all, I usually straighten my hair, but I like the option to curl it. And I prefer more like these beach waves that aren't just spirals. And my stylist tried to show me how to do it with my normal straightener. And let's just say I'm not coordinated enough to do that. So this tool makes it much easier because of this nice little twist it has in here. So if you want to straighten it, you just put it on your hair and pull straight down like you normally would, and it will straighten your hair very nicely. However, if you want it to curl, you just take this tool, put it in your hair, twist it, and then pull it down. And then you get these nice curls. This has helped me so much with curls because I am just not coordinated and I don't necessarily like using a regular curling iron because I don't want spirals. I want a nice beach wave look. So if you're uncoordinated like me or just are looking for an easy way to have one tool to do curls and straighten, this one is perfect. But that's just my point of view.